Okay, so there is a bug going around. The server rejected for uploading photos to your Google business profile. It is a bug that has been around for quite a while, at least since September. Actually, it was another bug somewhat related to Blogger a couple of years back. So I think that Google is currently working on it. But like, for instance, if we just came here, and I've tested it to where I try to upload photos from different different types of photos, some that are, geotag or have copyright information on them versus other ones. And we just keep getting this server rejected, dismiss option, right? So there are a couple things that I saw that you could do. One, if you only have one Gmail account, you're somewhat limited because you have a problem with the, specific one. But if you have another Gmail account that you possibly could log into, you could literally go to another Gmail account and log in to another Gmail account, right? Or if you have an administrator somewhat on for your other Google My Business, you may be able to log into that account as well, to be able to upload photos and things like that. So if I just wanted to really quickly jump into, just another Gmail account. And let's just go back to that same listing. We'll go back to that same listing we were just trying to upload photos to when I was getting that server rejection error. And if we jump into that, and we do it within Maps, we ought to be able to go in here and go down to Photos, hit Add a Photo, and again, logged in as a different user. So we'll make sure that this is logged in as a different user. So we're logged in again as a different user. Come in, go down to Photos, hit Add Photos. And, we could pick a photo here, hit Open. Boom, and I uploaded the photo. So I don't know if, what's going on with it, but you definitely can get your photos uploaded even if you have another Gmail account. I don't think it has anything to do with the specific Gmail account being trusted or not, because I'm seeing this across the board. So I just think it's an error. So, but if you do need to get something uploaded right away, that's definitely one way to do it. Peace. Okay, guys, hopefully that helps you out. If you need some help with Google Maps, if you're having trouble getting that Google Maps ranked to the top so that you increase your clients, or if you're just having trouble with your website, getting it moved up and within the rankings, or just need any kind of Google Maps or Google advice, make sure you hit me up in the description, leave me a comment, like and subscribe, and reach out to me. I'd love to help. Peace. You have a great day.